Today we're showing you a Kubota BX2350 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor. It has a Kubota LA243 quick attach front loader that goes with it. The tractor has a little over 400 hours on it. Cosmetically, the hood and the fenders have quite a bit of damage. Mechanically, the tractor runs and works as it should, with the only known issue being the brakes do not hold. So the tractor has to be parked on a level surface, obviously there. So those are the known issues with the tractor. Other than that, there are no known issues with the tractor. It is one of our budget-friendly tractors, so it is selling as is, where is. The front bucket here does have a bow in it. The bottom is bent on it, just so you're aware of that. The hood here, as you can see, has extensive damage. The front grille is completely missing. Certainly doesn't hurt the operation of the tractor, but it does affect the cosmetics, obviously. Show you the hours here. Looks like it's 427.6. Does have some damage back here in the fender. 540 PTO, has a 3-point hitch. We do have a belly mower, which I'll show you here in a minute as well. So here we have the belly mower for this BX2350 tractor. I believe we're missing the front mount for it, the front hook that hooks into the front here. So basically what you're seeing here is what we have. Anything additional we do not have.